What is going on, guys? This is my The Study of Numbers video. The Study of Numbers video. Pretty simple tutorial, pretty simple video. How to find deeper meaning in numbers. The study of numbers. The study of numbers. First, it's pretty simple. You just stare at a number and say it. You just stare at a number and say it in your head about 20 to 30 times. Say it in your head about 20 to 30 times. Stare at a number for that long and stare at it the whole time and say it about 20 or 30 times. You might need maybe a little more than that. Maybe it's a little more than that, but I know that you'll discover deeper meaning and get advanced knowledge of numbers if you stare at it for long enough time and say it in your head enough times. All I know. I don't know the actual effects though, and I'm not sure what you'll discover, but you'll discover secrets about numbers. Easter eggs sort of thing. Secrets about numbers, deeper meaning in numbers, the study of numbers. Maybe you could throw a math problem in there or two. Study the math problem itself over and over again. Solve it over and over again. Even if you know the answer, just do it. That's good practice. Very good practice. Because staring at a number is very literal. The amount of time you stare at it has an effect on you very literally. If you stare at it for 2 times as long, you'll get 2 times the effect. You're going to stare at it and say it in your head for more. You're going to stare at it and say it in your head more times for more effect. Simple. Pretty simple method. Study of numbers. So go ahead and do it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time.